The moment I inserted the endoscope into this patient's ear, I saw a hard mass completely blocking the ear canal. When I asked about her symptoms, she told me that she had been experiencing hearing loss in one ear for about a month. She thought a piece of cotton from a cotton swab might have been left inside her ear, so she came to see me. Many people don't realize how much earwax has built up in their ears until symptoms finally appear. In this case, the hearing loss was caused by a large, impacted earwax plug blocking the ear canal and preventing sound from reaching the eardrum properly. This earwax was extremely hard and tightly impacted. I carefully alternated between specialized instruments to separate and loosen the wax from the ear canal. I also used gentle vibrating movements to help release the hardened wax without causing unnecessary discomfort. Once it was sufficiently loosened, I used forceps to grasp and carefully remove the entire plug. After the earwax was removed, the ear canal was clear, and most importantly, the patient's hearing returned to normal. If you notice hearing loss, a blocked ear sensation, or persistent ear discomfort, don't assume something is stuck inside your ear. An ENT examination can quickly determine whether impacted earwax is the cause.